Welcome to Glazed, the first visual tracking documentation tool that helps you and your team move from this to this. Glazed enables you to easily find and understand your events in seconds. You can either search or select an event, access it interactively from the UI, filter a specific screen and see all the events that are present, or select a group of screens. You can also filter events based on the status, like for example, all active events or all buggy events. The power of this is that you can see what the event actually represents. It makes it completely tangible. After importing your events, you will find them grayed out on the left navigation bar. This means that there is no relationship between the event and the design file. To create such relationship, you can easily select a design element and drag and drop the event into the name field, and a description of the properties will be automatically filled for you. If you create an event with the toggle on, Glazed will look for similar elements in the file and assign the same event to them. Otherwise, it will only assign it to that single element. You can of course add and modify your events and user properties, as well as create custom values for them that will appear in the pseudocode. Once you connect to your data warehouse, you can go to our table view and preview the last 30 days of data for every event. This is helpful for ensuring your events are arriving as expected. Glazed comes with more features, such as a screen and version history that helps you keep track of how design changes might impact your data, screen view analytics to make sure your screens are tracked properly, and a simple name checker that helps your team avoid duplicates across both event names and property names. You can now also use our Figma companion plugin to access your tracking documentation without ever leaving the Figma canvas. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.